Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Maven Pom.xml file. So let's get started. Pom is page object model. Okay, it contains information of the project and configuration information for the Maven to build the project, such as dependency, build directory, source directory, test source directory, plugin goals. Maven reads the pom.xml and then execute the code. Before Maven 2 was named as project.xml file. Okay, but now it's called like pom.xml. Okay, for creating simple pom.xml, you have the following things. So, project, that is the root element of pom.xml file. Model version, the sub element of the project. Specify the model version, that is set to 4. Group ID, we have the sub element of project, that specify the ID of project group. And we have a artifact ID, it is a sub element of project. Specify the ID for the artifact of the project. An artifact is something that is either produced or used by the project. Example of artifacts produced by a Maven for a project includes jar, source, library, distribution, and wars. What is a version? It is a sub element of the project. It specifies the version of artifact given under that group. So project, we have this is a root element, and fourth version we have given here. Okay, model version we have given, group ID we have given here, then it's artifact and version in project. Now what additional things we are going to, like packing, name, URL, dependency scope. Defining packing types just like jar, var, name of the Maven project, URL of the project, dependencies of this project, and define a dependency that are used under dependencies. This is a subtab of dependencies. Okay, and scope, define the scope of this Maven project, like compile, provided runtime, test system. Okay, now this packing as a jar, we have given name, we have given a URL, and the dependencies, we have dependencies. Group ID, identifier, version, and scope we have given as test. So like this we can define pom.xml. Okay, so you can go through this, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Do share. Thank you. Bye bye.